Hello everyone, I'm Julian Deville. I'm a certified Blender trainer by the Blender Foundation, and I would like to introduce you to this incredible software and to make you discover all the nice features we have into this software. So first of all, about me, if you want to have a little more information about me, you can find here into Blender Network with my name here. You have my website, UG Graphics. It's in French, but more or less it's easy to understand. You just have to go there to see my work and things like that. Here you have in ArtStation, you have my personal works that I post, but I don't post any professional work there. It's only personal work, okay? And here what we will discover is Blender. So first of all, you will have to download the Blender version that you will need here, okay? It depends on your system, but it's a multi-platform system and everything is free and open source. So this is very good because Blender is really powerful software, as big as other softwares in the 3D industry, but it's free and open source, so nothing to pay, nothing to worry about license, and everything is there. So during this training we will discover a little Blender and its interface in the beginning, and after we will discover edit mode, object mode, and start to model little things like for example this headphone set that I have here during the process. Okay, I will just come here to show you the result. Okay, here, and we have the result that we will make. So we will make a little robot with references image like this little robot there, okay, and we will discover the process to model everything from scratch, so really from nothing, and it's a very good process to understand precise modelization and polygon modelization. Okay, then after we will have a look on modifiers, then the curves, and then after the node settings and the shaders. So we will create some nice shaders as well. You can see it on Suzanne directly, like for example this wood shader that we will make together, but not only that one, we will create some metals and a lot of things like that. Then after we will have a little chapter about lighting and texturing. Then we will have some sculpt presentation. Here I have for example a time-lapse of a werewolf, so I show you the entire process to sculpt from scratch too. So like this you will have a complete liberty with your creations. Okay, then after we will have a look on armatures, onto how to animate them a little, make a world cycle, make some little animations, some titles animations too, and we will finally go into simulations and how to make some smoke, how to create some liquids, and all the simulations we can make in Blender. So it's, if you are a beginner or even a professional that wants to evolve evolve knowledge or anything with this software, it really is a training that you need. And if you want, we will see each other in the next video.